Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Bluesky social account. And it's really easy and simple, guys, so let me show you how to do this step by step. First things, of course, you want to open up your Bluesky social app and make sure you're actually logged in. Next, what you want to do, guys, at the top left you'll see this icon right here, which is the three horizontal lines. Click on that option. Now scroll down, guys, and I want you to click on settings. Now under here, guys, I want you to click on account, and you will see this option right here that says delete account. So all you're gonna do, guys, is tap on delete account, and then what you're gonna do is tap send email to basically receive a confirmation code. And then you want to enter your confirmation code and password to basically confirm that you actually want to delete your Bluesky account, and then you'll basically be deleted, guys. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you out, and it is irreversible. So if I did help you out, consider also you can smash the like button, guys, and subscribe to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.